Okay, little monkey, climb on. I'm not going to help you. Climb on, hold on tight. Hold on tight, little monkey. Can you hold on tight? What if I go this way? Is that okay? Oh, that's good. And if I go that way, can you hold on? Oh, little monkey, that's really good. Oh, you fell down. Monkey fell down. Yeah? You want to climb on again, little monkey? I'm not going to help you.
Just like
I'm not going to help you. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Where can we go? Where can we go? If I go that way, is that okay? Can you hold on? Oh. Oh, that way doesn't work. Pretty good. Want to hold on to my arm, little monkey? Want to hold on with your legs? Hold on here, little monkey. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Gonna lift you. You have to hold on tight though. Is that gonna work? I don't know.
Does that work?
Yeah, hold on tight.
Working?
It is working. Yes, little monkey. Oh, nice fart. Hey, little monkey on a tree. Don't fall down. Little monkey swinging in the tree. I'm not helping you. I'm not helping you. You want to try that again? Hold on, little monkey. You got to wrap your legs around too. Wrap your legs tight. Like that, cross them over. Like the flying fox. Little monkey swinging in a tree. Little monkey swinging in a tree. Don't let go. Oh! Climb up.
Cross your legs.
That's right, cross your legs. Hold on tight. I'm not going to help you. I'm not going to help you. Little monkey hanging in a tree. Don't fall down. Oh no, monkey fell down. Monkey fell down. Little monkey fell down.
Again?
Yeah, hold on tight. Wrap around. Wrap around my arm.
Cross the legs.
Yeah, across the legs. Wait, you might have to cross this one over the top. Over the top. Oh, you'll try that? Okay. Oh, little monkey hanging in a tree. Don't fall down. Oh no, you fell down. Can you climb on my back? Little monkey in a tree. Climb up. I'm not going to help you. I'm not going to help you. Hold on. Hold on tight. Hold on tight. Yeah, Foxy's watching. He's watching you being a little monkey. Can you hold on? We're going to fall off. I can feel you're going to come off. You came off. Can you climb on tight? Yeah, hold on tight. Hold around my neck. Hold on tight. I'm not going to help you. I'm not going to help you. That's good. That's good. That's good. Don't fall down. Don't fall down. You fell down. Little monkey fell out of the tree. Down, little Foxy. Don't fall down. He fell off.